Oh, let me share my screen. Honestly, it doesn't need to be secrets. I'm just trying to I have way too many notification here, and it's hard for me to track. And this morning I was like, let's have a look at the Octobox. It's been forever since I watched that. Just flushed so many, and I still have 12,000 notification. So I need to unsubscribe from a few projects, I think. Just a few. It's unmanageable. Oh. So today I'm like, there's stuff I wanna work on, and I'm looking. So this morning, like I said, initially when you want to see your notification, you go on GitHub, and beside your avatar image account thing here, you have this, and you could open it and open. I need to find a better solution. And open this, and it helps. It's helpful, honestly. Maybe it's me that I don't know how to use it properly. I remember a long time ago by Noobcat, she was using this because she had too many projects. I thought maybe I could use that. So I had a look this morning, and it was cool because it had like a category archivable. So I used that. I was like 24,000, so now I'm 12,000. Way more manageable. And then I know that because a lot of my project that we work on the stream are kind of, like, it's only me or like a few contributor and stuff like that. So I know GitKraken, they have like a GitKraken dev, and they have something, so maybe I could use that also. I never think about using it because I feel like I'm alone, but there's still like, yeah, that's perfect. Like, so I think we'll be working on that. Yeah, that's the plan of today. So let's roll the intro and let's give a proper start to the stream. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. I'm Frank Boucher with the little voice. Yeah, Frank Boucher. I'm a cloud developer advocate at Reka, ex-Microsoft, and this is my place where I have fun, where I experiment, where I try to break things, build things, have fun, learn, a lot of learning. I want to show that even if you have like gray hair, you still can learn, you can still do mistake, and most of it, I want to show that you don't know everything, but it's fun to learn and experiment and build stuff, create apps and games and services and website and tools and all those things. So for the next about 2 hours, that's what I have for today. We'll be reviewing a few PRs, and just before I started, I was looking at different tools, and I think I will try to use this tool. Let me show you. Let me share my screen. So this tool is a GitKraken dev. Octobox could be also a good one, so I may use that to do some cleanup and maybe continue with GitKraken dev, since I'm a GitKraken ambassador. I love their products and solutions, so maybe we'll do that. And I have a few PRs that I want to look at because it's Oktoberfest, right? And I want to make sure I'm not the bottleneck for anyone who did a PR and stuff like that. And I want to look at particularly this one because it's for a hackathon, a project for a hackathon. So Katie, she's good. in Python. She knows Python, but she didn't have the time, so I build an app and like a kind of a workshop. But like I'm not the best Python developer, so she did a PR, so I'm looking forward to have a look at that. And I didn't because yesterday I was coming back from an event. So yeah, this week for me, I had a nice meetup at the MS Dev MTL. So it's a Montreal user group where there was 2 presentations. It was a double night. I started with showing some how you could, it was what was again the title? Bob Ross approach, happy apps, how to add AI without the fuss in your app. So I was showing how you could add AI research and AI vision in an app very simply. So I showed that, and after that, the other speaker, very interesting talk about like everything he learned managing the Sphere Lab. So at McGill University. And like infrastructure as code and stuff like that. It wasn't a session where we say, oh yeah, you should use Bicep or you should use Terraform. It was more, hey, I did try many things. This is what works because of X, Y, Z, and this is what didn't work because like ABC and stuff like that. It was very, very interesting. And I'm happy we had new faces, and very happy for that like relaunch of that user group. So we meet once a month. So if you're in the Montreal area, you should definitely have a look for that user group. It's pretty cool. And there's food and drinks and stuff like coffee and water. Drinks. It's not a bar. But yeah, that was pretty cool. And after that, this week, I went to Toronto in Canada for a security event. And oh my God, it was interesting. So, sorry. Reka have a solution for vision where they can put AI in security stuff, and so that's why we were there. So for me, it was like boot time, so answering questions for the people, showing the demo and stuff like that. But then I walked around. Oh my God, the security world, it was fantastic. Met plenty of people and the team, you know, since I'm new at Reka, it was nice also meeting the team. Doing some reflection on the previous session. So
previously on Frank's channel.
Yeah, I don't know if you remember, but last stream last stream was not easy. I was planning to do some the network on notebook mark, and maybe we'll work on that today, because last stream nothing was working. So just to give you context in case someone has the same issue that I have, though the more we go in time, less chance you have to get the same problem. But 2 streams ago, I think, I wanted to upgrade, try the new Aspire 9.5, so I did the little update. It works perfectly, but the solution was also using .NET 9 or 8, I forgot. I was like, you know, the release candidate 1 just came out, so let's have a look. So I did install it, and it kind of didn't work. So I kind of worked really hard, you know, like when you try to make it work. So I probably screw up something, and it was working in some cases, not in others, and stuff like that. And then when we tried to work with Notebook Mark, nothing was working. Like the compiler was saying like .NET is not installed on that PC. And I was like, yeah, it is. So we spent an hour last week trying to fix it, and I was boiling inside. I think I kept my, you know, I stay calm all the stream, but inside I was furious because I felt like I was losing time where I was supposed to code and have fun and learn, but I was just instead like fixing .NET, and it wasn't .NET's fault. The reason was I upgraded this computer to Debian 13, and it's it's not yet, so it's very, very new, and there was like a lot of breaking changes in this new version of Debian, and .NET that wasn't yet supporting this. And it's okay because it's not the full version, it's the release candidate. So looking at all the details in the doc, I was like, you know what? I won't try to make it work. I will just go back version 9. I did try release candidate on my other, like my work computer, or my, like, I here have like a laptop and a tower. I'm very lucky to have 2 computers. I did try on both, and it worked fantastically, and it's great. Performance is great and everything. But this is because of like the conflict with Debian 13 that is pretty new, and the release candidate that is obviously pretty new. So I rolled back, I uninstalled everything, reboot like 5 times to make sure everything was like clean, and then reinstall .NET 9. So we have .NET 9. So we should be able, next time we decide, maybe today, to work on the Notebookmark or any other project. But we won't start with .NET today. Today we start with Python. So oh, I love that. Okay, so I think I can close Octo. I wanted to keep it. Oh, you know what? Let me bookmark that, and I will put it in the tools. And I should bookmark this one. What's the default page of that? Okay, so let's bookmark that too, and let's put it also in tools. Okay, cool. Oh, I have it here open. Oh, that's fine. Notification, we can close that. I don't even know if I have cloned this project locally. So yeah, let's just quickly show that project. That project is part of the Reka API example. It's like we have 3 repos with different example, how to use our APIs and stuff like that. So we have one in TypeScript, we have one in .NET, and we have this one in Python with a lot of example. And today we'll be playing with Roast My Life. So that will be fun. And like I was saying earlier, Katie, she's presenting this weekend on the Call Hack hackathon in San Francisco. And I built that, but I'm not a Python developer. I did some Python and MicroPython on Raspberry Pi and things like that. So like, I know Python a little bit, but like I wouldn't say I'm a developer in Python, though I did something. So I guess I am, but I'm a noob. I'm a beginner, junior in Python, and she's definitely more like a senior in Python. So she looked at it and apparently did a PR. So what I want to do is make sure I have this clone on this computer, have a try to the current version, and then try the change to see the difference. Because let's make that bigger, and I can go in my corner so you see more, less of Frank and more of this. Voila. So she helped parse the nested JSON section to extract the clean rows content. Okay. Remove metadata field. Yeah, I didn't need that, but okay. From the display, it was displayed. Interesting. Enhance the result box styling with a proper markdown rendering support. Add scrollable container, maximize, okay, for the longer roast. Improve text readability and better line height for word wrapping. Styling the markdown element. Oh, that's cool, yeah. And so it looked like she was like polishing a lot of stuff. I built it, and that was my mistake. As a .NET developer, often we use 5000, and it was like, why are you using the port 5000? It's the default for AirPlay. I was like, I have no idea. I don't have an. Oh no, like I mean not .NET, but like as a Windows or Linux user, I had no idea that this is by default used by something Apple. So she changed it for 8111. Yeah, that's fine. So to get started, let's see. I have to get cracking. Do I have? Yeah, I have this. Cool. So let's make sure I have the latest version of that, so we can run it. Cool. Look like I have. So let's open it. Yeah, sure. Why not? Install the extension. Okay. Okay, can I just double click on it? Oh. Okay, let's close a few windows. I don't need that anymore. Why this is still open. Should minimize. Let's close that. Okay. Go back here. What? It was there, right? Download. Yeah. It is here. Microsoft VS package. It's in download. Why don't you see it? Okay, uninstall. Restart. Maybe we don't need it. Okay, let's try again. I'm not even sure if I have Python on this machine. I guess I will. I guess I will. I guess I have, since it's a Linux. Is Python always installed on Linux? No? Oh, it's Python 3, I think, right? Yeah, exit. Okay, look like this time it worked. Cool. Okay. So, if I go in Roast My Life, there's a README file. And to run it, I guess I should install this. So I guess I'm already in the good repo. So I guess I could do this in case. I guess I did run it. PIM isn't found. Interesting. Okay, so let's create a new environment. Okay, now let's do this. Oh no, yeah, let's do this. Again, I'm very sorry for all the coughing. Now let's do this one. Okay, now it works. Cool. I really like this. Sorry about that. Often when I was like reading on the Python project, people are doing all those manually, but then I saw one place that were like, yeah, no, just put everything in a text file and just then pimp install that. I love it. So now it just does all of it one shot. That's way cleaner. So now that we have it, we could just do Python and run the app. So we'll do a clear and we could just do this. And then we could just run it. Cool. So that's the demo. Let me put my hoodie. Now that I'm not running up and down the stairs. Yeah. Let's make it bigger. So Roast My Life, it's a simple demo that where you use videos and then you ask AI to do a gentle roast of it. So that's a static website. It's using Flask, if you know Python. So it's you have like, it's very similar for like to the ASP.NET. So you have an HTML page and then you have like the curly brackets. So you have a double set of curly brackets and then you could put like Python code in it or like replace the code. So it's very similar and it's kind of basic also. It's very powerful, but without having a very crazy architecture. I thought it was perfect for me as like going back into Python, and I thought since like this will be used as a simple, you don't want to overcomplicate the simple to like learn how to use those APIs. So I thought it was like the perfect match. So different tab, we go in roast video. So now we have this. So you could just like, let's say click this developer database to go and then roast my video. You could watch the video. So doing this, it will open a different tab.
A database to go is a database that only exists when you...
Right, so that's the video and it's uploaded. So it runs on the Reka AI library. So my library now, because I'm logged in, I'm using my key to go there. By the way, if you want a key, you could go at platform. In fact, I think I did. Yeah. If you want a free key, a renewable key for Reka API with $10 credits renew every month, and you can do a lot of things with this. You can have one for free over there with that URL. So now what you do is you roast that video. So that does I put that comment. So now I will send that request to the API and the AI will return with some answers. So no, okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's weird. Oh. That's new. Okay. Okay, now I understand why she did all the changes. Okay, okay. Yeah. That's not pretty. Okay. So let's stop it. Cool. So now if I do this, I think with remote. Hey, sir, how are you? The rehearsal was great. Yes, indeed. I won't replay the intro and though, but welcome aboard, sir. Welcome. I'm good.
Bonjour. Hi. How are you today?
Awesome, and it even took your voice. I'm well. As you can see, as you can hear, maybe my voice is still I still have that ball of fur in my throat. I'm not sure. I feel like it's forever. A little bit tired. I just came back yesterday night from Toronto. There's no time zone difference though, so it's just tired after like a big 2 days event. I was super cool though. It was a security event, very fun. I had a little bit of time in the morning to work, so I was working on some documentation, watching Jeffrey Fritz stream. I think that's where I saw you, right? And yeah, how about you? How was your busy? Yeah, good busy. And I had like a meetup earlier this week, so it was a busy week. But I think today will be cool to just kind of like focus. How about you? How was your week? So Python. Oh yeah, I need to add the upstream then. So that's the real one. Yeah, Jeff from Page Debut was watching and moderate the chat. Ah, that's cool. Yeah, I had only a few minutes before going to the event, but I woke up super early, so it was good. It was a good morning for me, a very productive meeting for me. So I don't know, yeah. So I want to change this. I want to see my fork. I think he said he will be streaming a lot today, so maybe I will have the chance to raid him later. Okay, so my branch is up to date. So now what I need to do is add a upstream, right? And it will be this. Let's try if we can do it. So here I can add a remote. And it's a GitHub repo, but I don't think I can see it. Yeah, I can see it. Cool. So upstream. Nice. We're doing Python this morning, mister. So cool. So now we have that. Let's open VS Code. Let's clear the screen. Yips. And I don't think, looking at the PR, let's have a look again to the PR. So 4 file changes. So app, style, readme, and CSS. Okay, so we don't, the readme? Change the oh yeah, because I think she updated the okay. Oh wait a second. Okay, no, source readme. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, so she fixed both places. Amazing. Okay, so let's just do this, I guess, and run it again. Cool. So that didn't change. So this, what was the change again? I think it's just when it roasts, right? So in the app, yeah, it's only about, oh, Okay, so now the port is 81111. Well, that works. So that's I knew she told me. Need to stop doing the key binding. It's both browser pages. She changed the CSS. I don't mind. I'm not great in CSS, so good for her if she did. And the README of the other one. Okay, so let's roast the video. Let's take that same thing and let's roast. I don't know when, but we lost some stuff because it was working clean. Aha. Yeah, that's perfect. Lovely. All right, it seems we got a true database enthusiast in our end. This gentleman clearly has a passion for ephemeral. Okay. I know that word in French. I'm just like feeling that I'm saying it wrong in English. Data solution, and he's not afraid to use every finger of his hand to express. Is it saying I'm speaking with my hands? That's my Italian side, right? Rapid fingers, blah, 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 most summoning database. That's cool. I think it's cool. Cool. So, yeah. Looks great. Let's add your review. Oh, though. Let's make sure. So for the README, say it sure is a simple markdown. So now it's all that. Okay, cool. Okay, so whoops. Let's go back here. Let's review the changes and I will approve. Cool. So let's merge it. Cool. So that was nice. That was nice. Okay, so let's stop it now. I'll text her after, telling her I merged it already. Great. Okay, cool. So that's all done. How the UI of this page get adapted? So cool, just vanish. Excellent. How can I change the sort order here? Oh no, order. I cannot change the order. Oh no, sort by reference. Last update. Cool. Let's have a look to this one. Okay. We still have time though, right? October. That's an Oktoberfest thing. If you're not doing it, I will. Is it an Oktoberfest thing? I thought it was. Oh, that's the PR. It was to fix. Oh yeah. It was to fix 70. Like that's just the column thing, right? Yeah. Okay, well, we'll give him today. After that, I might do it. A week ago, add or update the Azure App Service build in the URL shortener. Yeah, I think remove this. Yeah. Oh, maybe if I just do. Forgot the name. Is merged. CH Rob. So I think. Yeah, like discuss past time. So yeah, so this one here, the person was like trying to have the deployment fix, but I feel like since this is Microsoft, it's not in my repo anymore. I feel like I don't want that there. So like if we have CI/CD, we'll move that piece of code more as like a in the documentation. So if you want to use a one-click deploy, then add this into your fork or something like that. I think it will be better. Cool. So one more done. Can I? I shouldn't add. I should add a button to mute myself quickly. My Stream Deck. Okay, let's go back here. So the next one. So snooze, what snooze does? Oh, for an hour, 4 hours. 4 hours is good. Let's snooze for 4 hours. For the power platform for beginner. Why I'm still tracking that? yeah, I think I created that thing. Boucher. That's been there for a while. I'm sorry, Ahmed. Oh my god. I didn't answer for all that time. I feel bad. That's why I need like a better tools to track all the notification. I have way too many. Oh, I feel bad for the guy asking me stuff. Oh, I have put many cool yeah, we were trying to do well, I don't have the power anymore to do it. So can I who else? Oh boy. What can I do? This should be archive. This project should be archive. I will have to oh man. Okay. I don't want to put it that public. Okay, let me take a note here. Just send myself an email quickly so I don't forget. Email sent. It's a quiet fire Friday today. Not a lot of people here. I guess the title of the stream was not interesting enough. Working on shit. Okay, so I'm guessing now it will all be super old. Yeah, 5 years old. Okay. So I think we're good with the Okay, so I guess we can work on the notebook more. Should I change the title of the stream? Get more people. So we could go back here in notebook mart. Let's close this. Do you know Omachi, sir? Sturdy Dev, if you're still here. Hey Fuel, how are you? Vroom. Okay, so I look like Code by Mistake will be the only one. Yay! Code by Mistake 28. I think your Code by Mistake is the first one to land today. Let's start the project. I think I will change the title of the stream. Or should I? Nah, let's keep it like this. I feel like it's been forever. It's like, yeah, let's do AI, and I'm not doing AI, so let's today do not AI. Do AI, but without saying it. Maybe we'll be lucky. Ooh, we can go with Aspire 952. We can update that, but I'm not touching to my .NET version. So it's .NET is working now. Yay! I'm back to version 9. So until the official one is out, I won't use it. Okay, so I think today what we do is we add a new page. We'll call that suggestion or something like that. And then you could have AI. So you click and we'll have AI looking online for us to do a thing. And then you could just add them to your, like, this page to read. So like, just, okay, let me recap. So this tool is a tool where I don't like to read online. So what I do is, like, when I found, let's say I go on my blog, Frankie's notes, and then let's go article, not my reading notes. Let's say that one. It's an article I like. So I could upload it in my Kindle, or I could just use it here. Boom. And now I have that. As you can see, I go here, like, it got the title, the URL, and the author. And so then I can read it, add a note. So you say, okay, that was like a programming category, and then like blah, blah, blah. So okay, blah, blah, blah. You had some tags, and then you save, and then it vanished because it's read now. We can see the unread or the read. And when you're done, you could go here and generate a summary. And now you see like your notes, and you could, we now have an introduction with generate. We have a nice button that will generate. Hey, Frank. Yeah. Open source. Well, like, we were doing like a bunch of PR review earlier, and now we're back at our note bookmark, because since it's Oktoberfest, I want to make sure I'm up to date. So we fixed that, and I was looking early before the stream. I was looking for a tool to check all my PRs and my issue and things that, like, where I'm tagged or project I follow, and I need to be better, because when I go in Octobox, I still have 12,000 notification because I'm in a lot of projects that I need to stop following. I was involved by default in so many projects at Microsoft. So now I need just to kind of like stop following those projects because like there are so many that I missed the important one. So this morning I was looking Octobox. I will probably use that to kind of like filter. And after that, I think I will continue to work using maybe Octobox, but probably more Gitkraken Dev. I feel like we'll see how like those two, but I like the snoozing stuff and like I can directly do action here. I think it may be interesting. And we fixed it. So I wanted to make sure I didn't have any, I wasn't at the blocker for Oktoberfest stuff for people collaborating on my open source project. And also I built a Python app for a hackathon this weekend. And the person found some bugs, and yeah, there was some bugs of some, like when I moved the card or something, I lost some stuff. So yeah, we merged that, so now it's good. So we're kind of like all done with that part. So now we work on Notebookmark, and it's working now because I reinstall .NET on my laptop, so now it's working. And yeah, people are taking a long time to work on some stuff, but yeah, so we work on this one. We'll be working on this one. Use AI to make post to read suggestions. So using Reka Research, we'll create an agent that will go online, find some blog post or article or something based on the topic we suggest, and then come back with a list of suggestions, populated a new page that we need to create, and with buttons so you could add them to the to read. Yeah, so add a new another component search with a form containing information. Add new component page search with a form containing information about post AI search by topic, only recent, in a domain, number of suggestion, language. Oh yeah, it's cool. Definitely put that, so like a advanced form. Okay. I guess for the domains, we can. Well, we'll see how it goes. So the list will be presented as a list. Okay, cool. So I think we'll probably start by like copy pasting the page and then like modifying it. So yeah, how was your week? Anything that made you smile today? Same thing, I feel. What made you smile today, this week? Oh man, I was close. Mostly landed here. Well, enjoy writing. What?
Bonjour. Hi.
GT is here. Will it be as lucky as usual? Not. No. Not on the first try, though. Synesthesia effect. What is that? What is synesthesia? that's cool. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at it not in the screen. Let's put it here. All-in-one music, visual, video. Oh, that's cool. Did you see the... I forgot how it's called. What's the name? Did you see some video on like the socials about that girl, like that DJ girl, like coding and making music with like a kind of a roulette script? What it's called again? It was super cool. Yes, strudel. I didn't note it because I was like, oh, I will remember strudel, and guess what? I didn't. Yeah, I need to play with that. I'm not into music scripting though, thinking it's a very cool that people yeah. Visual effects, I mean, like that looks pretty amazing too. So how does that work? Synesthesia. Am I sharing the sound of my computer? Let's have a look. We'll have a look to the video. Can I do this? I'm not sure I'm sharing this sound directly. Okay, let's check this. Default speaker, so that will be... Yeah, I don't think I have it. So let me add a new source. Audio output. And we'll call that oh no. Need this, and we'll add a new one. No, create a new one. Exactly. Remote PC speaker, add, and then it will be oh, why I don't see that? Headphone, no, interesting. Why I don't see this? Oh, why? So let's say, so that's my mic. I will click to mute myself and try to play the video just to see if you can still hear it. So look like the HDMI is put into my output of my streaming PC. So cool. Yeah, it was very loud. It was very loud on my side too. Is there anything I can do? I can probably lower the volume here. Let's do this. Let's try it. Okay, be careful. I'm starting the video again. Is it better? Sorry, I should have warned you. That's cool. Oh. They have a lot of very cool effect too, right? I love that one. Could use the cloud thing for my intro. How did you find that? That's super cool. Well, let me catch up in the chat. I was... So, how did you find that fuel? That's pretty cool. I'm not into music. Yeah. You create the visual effect as a shader and then you integrate it with the music to oh, that's super cool though. So okay, so you like any music and then you just apply your animation stuff and to that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's cool. Really cool. I love it. Like, I mean, I would watch it a little bit, but often I'm listening to music. I'm not like, I mean, I could have like that running in a corner, like to give effect if I'm in the dark. But most of the time, yeah, it won't work for me. But I really like that the visual. But like Strudel, if you don't know, it's mostly for streaming and like yeah. Strudel is pretty cool because then you just let's go let's go on. Can I go on YouTube on this? What's the default? Sorry again. Okay. Strudel. Is it? I think it's her. Yeah, switching angel.
Like some fast trance, kick drum, 4 on the floor, with.
So that's Strudel.
Scope.
So she's coding,
Next.
and then it create music, and I can go in the other corner, so I'm not over her.
With transgate. Cycle 45, 1 cycle long. The key, it needs to be G minor. Let's drop 1 octave.
I like that.
2 octaves.
I will probably struggle because
Filter.
my
Control
notes,
with a slider.
I learned it in French, so it's not
An envelope with
G and B and all those. It's like it's do, re, mi, fa, sol.
Let's make a lead sound from our cloned.
I guess I could adapt. It's just another language,
Subtraction 2
but that's pretty
or
cool.
1 octave. We need more power, width, delay. Let's make it swirl with random panning.
I-
Let's add more notes.
I got that on my, let's put it in the chat. On my feed on social.
We can go deeper.
And then I start binge watching what she was doing. And the nerds in me, well, it's the kind of music I use to work.
Let's make a breakdown
And I like the code
first
and the way she kind of like
with piano roll.
build it and speak it. I thought it was like very cool thing. And the visual is amazing.
Let's make a chord progression.
But I'm not sure if if she's using strudel though.
3 at 3 4 5 at 3 6. Let's increase the power of our bass by layering one more octave
Anyway.
low.
That was a thing I discovered recently and I loved it. Okay, let's bring back our after this. Oh, hopefully I don't have like a copyright issue. Let's put back our little no like yeah, I should be fine. I should be fine. Okay. Oops. Okay. So back to our notebook mark stuff. It is what it is, chat. Oh, I want to see just to make sure I see everything correctly. Voila. Okay. I just received my hoodie yesterday and I love it. It's a new hoodie. And it's super comfy. It's incredible. And it's alpaca wool. It's kind of warm, but not too warm. Love it. Okay, so we work on that. So I think I'll recreate a branch. Yeah, but maybe maybe I should delete that branch and create a new one, because this branch, yeah, I feel, let's go to main, pull that, we'll delete this and I will recreate it from the current main. And VNex, VNex should be updated too. Though, do we want to upmerge? I'm never sure. So, chat. VNex is the branch. Like I'm pushing everything there, and then like when I'm trying to have like a best practices, best practice merging, like branch stuff going on here, and I'm not sure what I should do. So I don't want to merge stuff into main. I want to merge stuff into VNex. And then VNex go to main, that's a release. But then how do I... Well, that means if it's not up to date, like main is here and VNex is here, it's because I push to main bunch of stuff. So I guess I should do a merge this way, or should I guess I should do this and merge main into VNX. Oh, that's it? So I can push that. I feel the music was with the beat was fun. Should we change the should we go a little bit more beats, or we keep the lo-fi music? What do you think, chat? Should we change the beat, the stream music for today and put something a little bit more upbeat? There's a different playlist on yeah, let's try something else. Let's try something else. If I go here, whoa, that there's electronic. They're hi-fi? What's hi-fi? Indie pop, 100 thieves, pipe tracks. There are so music type that I don't know. Like what's chiptune? And what's chill step? Drum and beats. House. Oh, there's a house. Let's go house. Though, like, ooh, I'm not sure. The little one we had before was better, I think. That's not bad, right? Let's keep that. Let's keep that. Okay, so let me know if it's too loud though. Okay, so now we have this. So if I go back here, if I go in my issues, oh, we have the issue here. Let's refresh. I'm not letting you try to drop alone, GT, though. Look like you misunderstood the assignment here. Going straight down. Really? You know, I could have bumped you and helped you to go in the good direction, but no, you wanted to, you know, be in your corner. Okay, so now there's no branch, so let's create a new branch. I like that. Love that. Branch source. It should be VNX. Already exists. Oh, we deleted it. Did we not? Yeah, it's not there. It's not there. Oh. not there. It's been a month. I created that issue already. Oh yeah, and we need to okay, let's create a branch. Let's AI suggestions or post suggestions. Read suggestions. Cool. And we'll take that from Phoenix. Cool. So now here where is it? He was here. Now we need in progress. And in this will it move by itself? No, huh? Here, use AI to make suggestions on 62. Cool. Because I need to keep track of my tools. I'm setting tools. I need to use it. Okay, use them. Excellent. So we can stop this. Oh yeah, we need to upgrade our CLI. It's true. Upgrade the templates? Yeah, sure. That was easy. Manually upgrade the solution to Aspire 5.1. Well, isn't it? Why it says 1? I thought it was 5.2. Guys, folks, you didn't upgrade your post. Okay, so 5.1. I just need to put 5.1 here. So I guess what I need to do is put 5.2 in my app host. But first, let's go into the correct range. Cool, so now we are in the correct branch. Let's open the editor. Excellent. So now I am in app host. I have 5.1, so let's go 5.2. I'm guessing those will be also 5.2. We could this way here. So this I could do .NET outdated. I forgot how to use it. Is it .NET/outdated? Yeah, not slash, but space. Are you really GT? Should we go? In 5? Okay, so let's drop in 5. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh yeah, let me help you. Ah, come on, I help you now. You owe me one. You're on the target so because of me, like it's so much because of me. You owe me one, man. Team works, yeah. Okay, next time it's my turn. I was kind of like, yeah, go there. That was cool. We should do a clip of that. Okay, so yeah, so 2. Yeah, okay, so you know what? Let's do the command. And oh no, it's not R, it's U. Right? To update. No? Yeah. Oh, let's go in the other. Come on, update. Be done with your update so we can push that. We can start working. Cool, it's done. Let's have a quick run, make sure that it runs. Come on, F5. Why are you not? Alright. I need to be more patient. The notification anymore. That's good. Storage runs, the API runs, Blazor app runs. Amazing. So now we roll. We can do this. Go here, add a new post. It's working great. Post added successfully. I think also in the future, I don't want to touch it right now because I did open an issue. That's the setting page. And I want to add the prompt for like when you do like, you know, when you make a summary, the prompt that generates this, I want to make it so it's accessible in the settings. So I did create an issue and someone took it. Not sure they will they will add it in the UI. I think they will just create the table because it happens pretty fast. So I think like there's some people just looking for like very easy things to do for Oktoberfest and have like as smooth as possible. Oktoberfest, I don't think they know the project. I don't think they joined the stream, but it's fine. I mean, that's open source, right? Even like the issue here, the button is too big for the grid. The guy did like all the CSS. It was doing it like a CSS way instead of like viewing the Fluent UI interface. So I think, you know, but here and maybe we could also add like a list of domain, so for suggestions. So instead of like going crazy on the web, we could have a list of like, hey, use that and populate that in our search by default or not. But to save time, like, you know, if you have like already like I don't know, like 10, 20 like URL website that you like, we can save them in the settings. So when you are in the search, you could just say use the default or just like clean it. Okay, so it's working, right? Let's go every page. Cool. And now if we go trace. Oh, I have errors? No, it's just red. Yeah, it's just the colors. Oh, why they took red? Cool. So it is working. Excellent. So we can stop it and start working. Oh, before we push this as like a package update. So we do this, but we remove the build because I want to work on that also. Okay, let's use AI. Bump up the package version. Perfect. Love it. Push that. Cool. Push. Already work done. Like I run 2 commands. It's like, yeah, work is done. Yay. Okay. Now, we need a new page. We'll be working on, this is a little bit small, okay. So it will be in the Blazor app. Let's start from there. I think we need a new page. I think the page will be search or suggestions. I think it's search because you're searching on it, and like what you see is suggestions, and the page suggestions. So maybe search will be. Oh yeah, so maybe search will be like the full page, and then we'll have a component that will be suggestions, and we could have like another page where you just look at the suggestions that are kind of like set, so you didn't like delete them and stuff like that. Does that make sense? Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. So I will go here. I think post is the closest to what we want. So one thing we could do is just make a copy of post. I thought we could now do it in Solution Explorer. I'm in the way. I cannot copy a file. I mean, we can do something else. We could go in page. Let's create a new thing. It will be search. No, it will be a razor page or razor component. I think it's a razor page, I need to say, and it will be called search. It wasn't a page because there's no model. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. It was a component. A page is for the MVC, not Blazor. Is it? Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Okay, so I want to create a component, and it will be named search. That's what I want. Excellent. Don't say cool. So now we wanted this and wanted this, and now we could copy everything from nope, not the post editor. I want posts. Voila, I can close this, I can close that, and now I can paste this. So that will be search. That will be search. And so I think we definitely want to stack, and the stack will be like the form, the search form, and then the display, but the display will be the suggestion component, and that will be like another, it will be a shared component. So maybe we should create that. So in the shared component, let's do another component, and that one will be called suggestions, plural, because it's a list of suggestions. So we'll do this here. So I think the grid needs to go on that other one. The grid goes here. So now we need the filter list and the pagination stuff. So pagination and filter. Oh, filter list is here. So let's go here like this. Let's put it there. Splitting the code, and then we'll change everything we need. I think those. Yeah, no, this needs to be on the other side. Yeah, so I think this. This is here. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Oh, is it what I wanted? Am I over? No, that's what I want. Okay. So okay. Oh yeah, so here we'll have to have like the create note and the delete post. We'll have to have the function. So this we have to move. We'll have to move it here. And I guess this will go there, this will go there, and this will go there, this will go there. Yeah, all that. We'll move all of those here. Okay, toast service. Yep, we need to bring that. I think I will keep it. Yeah, let's keep it there too. Okay, like this. Let's put them in comment for now. The runtime, I think I don't need them. Inject the client. I need one, but here we need one. Maybe. Yeah, no, that's what I need this, I think. Load posts. Let's put that in comment for now. Okay, cool. Oh, roll. Wait, what? Okay. So, yeah, now let's put that in comment for now. Okay. So, search will be used to like have the form and then display. So in the stack orientation vertical, yes. So I will have, let's put in so I will have like the component suggestions like this, right? So right now though, it doesn't do anything. And before that, fluent switch. Oh, that's the little toggle button. Oh, you know what? Let's put that. I think I will reuse that. Okay, but here I want a form. And I think I want to copy paste a form that I did already to just save time. Maybe we could go in 2D6 Dungeon app and just take the forms from there, or should we build one? I think I will go there and just like grab it. Save time. If I go in code, and source, and then the client, and then components, and then pages, adventurer create, I'm guessing, so we've been shared. Adventurer create. Maybe it's not the best one. Form. Where did I land? I don't even see myself. Am I like just hiding it? I don't see. Where did I land? I don't even see where I landed. It's not the best form. Creature picker, creature card. Oh, I have a form I think I did. in this, the note dialog, that's a form. Yeah. So we can take this as a template. Let's do that. So yeah, so it'll be like this. But edit form, why it's it edit form? I think it will be form, not edit form. I'm not sure what's the difference. Okay, so oh yeah, so it's like I know I need to pass something. What's happening? Request, text document, fail, item, already added key. And I'm not sure why it's a capital F. Is it weird? Render a form element that cascade edit form. But it's not editing. Or maybe it is. Is it? Let's keep it that way for now. So I think what I want to do is edit form. We'll have the short version where you're just... Okay, so let's do like the longer version. And then we'll add feature, and then when we have enough feature, we'll use that toggle button for like show the advanced or simple mode, and then we'll decide what feature or like, you know, so you could have something simple that use all your their setting by default, and then you could go advanced and then like customize like the domain names you want and stuff like that. Okay, so now we have that. And the model will be search criteria. I think so. That will be private search criteria, plural, and we'll call that areas. Huh. And I guess we need a class for that. And that's what I think that's one of the parameters we could pass to suggestions. No, suggestion is just loading the list. Okay. So search criteria is just for this page. So I don't need to put it in the model. I could just have it here. Like this. I could even make it private. And it will be not title, but it could be topic. Topic. Let's just do, and it will be a string array. Whoops. And that will be allowed domain. And the other one will be block domain. And yeah, I think that's good, right? For now. I mean, instead of topic, do we want like prompt, search prompt maybe? Yeah, search prompt, allow them in, block them in. I think that's a good start. So now criterias, that's what our form is using. So now text area, name, it will be search prompt. And I think here, like, I like the list. I think it's a good visual. I'm not sure. I think it's better this way, right? So it's an array. So that's allow domain. Let's do the block. Block domains. Because if I do this, I mean, now it needs to be like a string. Now say comma separated. Something like that. Yeah. Right. Oh, did I? Yeah. Okay. So block now doesn't work because like, what the hell is that? So here, wait. Wait, did I? No, block is a array and allow is a string. So allow is a string, cool. Now criteria, block domain. Block, this is an array. Oh, because that's the selected, right? Maybe you want a list with checkbox. I was thinking, maybe options. I'm ready. Why it's not working? Hey, you push me! Oh. Because I cannot.
Yay!
I think you're a jerk, unoriginal jerk, because you pushed a lot of people. Yeah, so I thought like it could be something like this, right? So you have like a bunch of stuff. So I need a way to add more. So that's what I was thinking to use. Maybe we should start just, okay, let's start with like a list, a string, and then we'll improve. Yeah, I think we'll do that. So it will be just a string for now. So we'll be the same as this, and we'll fine tune later. So here it will be the block. Oops. Yep. Like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so so the one thing we need is reading suggestions. That we need the class to be in our domain. Let me wait a few seconds and now let's go. Will I land? Yes!
Yay!
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 22. Oh, yeah, I shouldn't record myself doing it now. I don't know how to fix that. Healthy shoot. So yeah, so here like we're catering and like passing a list of posts, but I think now it's not posts yet, it's suggestions. We call read suggestion, post suggestion. Do you like how my butt bring it? Yeah, it's all good. I should record myself like so I think oh, there it is. I was like, where is it? So here we need a new class, and I'm just not. So reading suggestions are just suggestions. Like everything is about reading, so I think suggestion it's hard enough, but then like it will be conflicting with this. So I think it will be reading suggestions, and maybe this page then should be. Maybe here we call it suggestion list. Yeah, maybe this page. I know like in the past, like I was calling it like this, but then often I get issues that the class is in conflict with the page and stuff like that. Sound. It clipped it. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, so maybe this page, instead of being suggestions, it will be lists, suggestion list. Yeah. So rename instead of suggestion, so it'll be suggestion list. Because it is exactly that. I think it would be better. So now in search, the component will be suggestion list. Voila. And now we can create the dependencies, not the dependency, but like the class here being suggestion. So it's a class and we call it suggestion. Yeah. And it's mostly, I think, what do we want? So I'm guessing we'll have like an ID. Right, we'll save that in our data store. So we'll probably have like a bunch of like those data member thingy. So we'll have an ID, that's for sure. I will have to have like a, I forgot what's the L for. Yeah. Okay, so let's create this. So tired of. So ID, partition key, row key, timestamp, e tag. Okay, cool. And we'll have a title. That will be a string, a string, and string could be nullable, and that will be title. Come on. You're not helpful. You're not helpful. And I guess we could have a summary. Of the URL. And let's do summary for now. Or let's go. Hey McNit, how are you? I'm doing well. Well, that's wonderful. You landed first try.
Yay!
With 43. Good score. I don't want to call it summary because we have a class summary. So post summary, I feel like it's confusing. Post. Yeah. Well, I did land, so I'm safe. And GT landed too, so he's safe. So I guess they left you and Yaya then to land. But Yaya didn't play today to the drop game, and that's fine. Like no obligation. Okay, I'm getting roasted on my own channel. Instead of like laughing at me, like how should I call that property? So it will be like a summary of the blog post, but I don't want to call it summary because I think it will be confusing with the summary of like you know, the reading note summary. Is abstract make sense? Like suggestion abstracts? Not really, right? Overview? Maybe overview will be good. I'm not sure I will use it, but you know, when we get the AI, we could have like this. I think we want also a date. Let's get for our name. Yeah, we could. I think I want to like suggestion date. Suggestion date. I should pick only words that I can say. Suggestion date. So we could filter by like if like there's tons of suggestions, you want to see like the most recent and stuff like that. I think that's a good start for now. And I see I'm already at the top of the hour. Did Mr. Fritz start streaming today? Oh. He mentioned he was about maybe to stream, but I'm not sure because he streamed yesterday. So maybe he changed his mind and I didn't, since I was at my event, I didn't hear that. Yeah, he had like so many viewers. Is he streaming? No, he's not, right? He had like 1,000 viewers when I watched him. I was very happy for him. That's cool. And it's great for like development to have so many. No, here like my streams are always little, but I don't stream enough to have a lot of viewers. And like it's only by block of 2 hours. If I was doing a longer stream. Oh, that's cool. 3K. Yeah, congrats, Jeff. That's awesome. But yeah, okay, let's go. Oops, not here, not here. Let's go here. Let's stop CB so we could see the scores. Or I need to go here. So today we were doing some maintenance on open source, and we did work on Note bookmark, but I didn't say it out loud, just in case. Here are the scores, and I think I'm the lowest real human with a score of 22, and then we have GT with 41, and Mechnet that just arrived at last second and like 43 took the lead. So pretty good, pretty good. If you're not the best, the luckiest today, Mechnet, I don't know what you are. Luckiest, code by mistakes, really? And the super participant is me. I love it. I'm the super participant at my own stream. Damn it. Okay, I don't think we'll be rating anyone today. Biggest loser? Who was the biggest loser? I didn't check it. Was it you, Sordidev? I didn't check. I think it was one of our digital friends. Am I right? So I think we should push that, but it's not working. It was you. Well, you know, you have you in all your copy, digital copy. So I think we need to push that, but it's work in progress, right? So it's not a feature, it's a brackets
Yay! Yay!
work in progress. Wow, so many landed. Oh no, sorry Dev, 72. And of course you score after. Yep, that's not track anymore. That's not tracked. Well, it happens. It happens to the best of us. Is it cheesy enough? Oh man. Thank you all for being with me today for this stream. I always appreciate your chit chat, your roast. Thank you for sharing the links. It was fun, the music. We had a great moment. And I think we're on a good start with that note bookmark work. I'll definitely continue to work on that next week. Next week, I'm pretty sure I will be able to do 2 streams. So on Wednesday and on each Friday, we keep that one. Yeah, I wish you all a good week, a good weekend, and if there's sun where you live, go outside. Bye-bye.